Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's take a look briefly at the gold market. Today's gold market is closed due to the holidays in the United States. So what we could say, yesterday market has hit our target that we have predefined in the beginning of the week. Mostly it was based on this huge evening star pattern. We said that market probably should reach at least the 1160 area. That has happened. What is interesting is that market also has renewed these lows. And as soon as market has created the new lows, it has erased the chances for the possible butterfly sell, upside butterfly, and also it has erased this ABCD pattern, where the market wasn't able to move higher and hit just a minor target and turns to the downside. But this is only the halfway. Probably today we will not see any activity. But on the next week, market, as we expect, should continue to move lower to the next targets. In fact, the 1160, 1150, 1140 and 30 levels are the targets of the same chain, and all of them are just temporal targets. Because if you'll take a look at the monthly chart and then the high time frame chart, you will see that the situation looks really bearish, because gold market has failed the major upside action. When it has moved above the yearly pivot point in the beginning of the year, it has failed to continue to move lower, then return it back down, drop below the yearly pivot, and that is bearish sign. Here guys, gold market also has failed to hold above these lows and break to the upside. So it has met again the resistance 12, even 1225 area, and wasn't able to pass through it and dropped lower. All these moments looks really bearish, and we think that in the medium term perspective the major destination point will be, as we every time point in our monthly research and in weekly research, is 1050, 1080 area. That's our long-term target on the gold market, where the real reversal could come. All other targets, 1160 as I said till 1130, is the targets where a market already been before. And as soon as it has returned right back down again for the second time to these targets, it's obvious that these targets are not the targets that will be hit on the first time, but the targets and the levels where the market will retest. And as soon as it has returned back down to them again after the failure attempt of the breakout higher, that tells that hardly these levels will stop market from the further drop. In the short-term perspective, we could expect some bounce up. But on the forward time frame chart, market keeps well at this pattern. We have inner ABCD pattern. We have the butterfly that leads market to the 1150, the next destination point. Right now, market has stopped at the weekly pivot support 1, shows the minor retracement. On the hourly chart, you could see also that it has completed our pattern that we have discussed yesterday as well. That is ABCD. As you can see, as market has hit the target finally, turns to the upside retracement. Currently, guys, market is approaching to the natural support resistance line that will protect and start to prevent market penetration of this area and continue to move higher. As you can see, that's former consolidation. It's more support, 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 support again. It's resistance, resistance will be again. That's the nature of the gold market. It has the tendency to retest the previously broken lows. And logically, naturally, market should stop the retracement up somewhere in this area and turn to the downside. We will see what will happen in the next week. Today, probably action will be really lazy and market will be thin. So it's better to wait till the next week. But as I said, our medium-term expectation and expectation of the further downward action of the gold market is still valid.